Today I'm making a delicious garlicky soy tofu dish. The ingredients will be listed below. Here I have my tofu that I've already pressed and cut into cubes, and I'm going to add them to a bag. Then I'm adding cornstarch, garlic powder, and salt. And you can't see it too well, but here I'm also seasoning the tofu with some freshly cracked black pepper. Then I'm going to close the bag and shake it well to make sure the tofu is evenly coated. Now I'm going to prepare the sauce. Here I'm adding a little cornstarch to a measuring cup, and then I'm going to add the soy sauce. And I'm going to stir until the cornstarch is well combined. Next, I'm adding some oyster sauce and I'm going to stir again. You could also add a little brown sugar to the sauce, but that's optional. Here I'm adding enough water to the sauce so that it measures about 3/4 a cup. Here I've heated up my skillet over medium heat and I'm adding enough oil to shallow fry the tofu. And now I'm adding half of the tofu to the skillet and I'm going to stir to coat the cubes in the oil. And then I'm going to let them fry for about 4 minutes or until the bottom side is golden and crispy. Then I'm going to flip the cubes over and continue to cook them for another 4 minutes. Once done, I'm going to transfer them to a paper towel lined plate and I'm going to repeat the process with the remaining tofu. Here I'm adding a little oil to the skillet and this is over medium heat. Then I'm going to add the minced garlic and ginger to the skillet. And I'm going to cook this for about a minute. Then I'm adding the sauce and I'm going to stir it and let it cook for about 2 minutes or until slightly thickened. Then I'm adding the tofu cubes and I'm going to stir to coat them in the sauce. Next, I'm going to garnish it with some toasted sesame seeds and chopped green onion. And this dish is now ready to be served over white rice. I hope you guys have enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching.